Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside we nation, Nigeria. Like this now, my good people, you get the report wey dey my table, you get the updates wey I need share give the general public. And the cocoa be say, the Olubadon of Ibadan land, the one and only Oba Owolabi Olakunleyin, Ina don give thumbs up, Ina don give accolade to the Igbo people wey dey for inside Oyo State for their significant contributions and their efforts to the economy of Oyo State. So like this now, my good people, the Olubadon of Ibadan land don recognize Igbo people. Ina don confess and say, omo, these men dey try even for inside Oyo State. And the Monarch dey give this commendation on Tuesday, wey be the 25th day of February for inside this year 2025. And he give the accolade when he host the state chapter of RI0USLY worldwide for inside the palace. And the commendation of the Monarch so na for inside one statement wey dey issued by his chief press secretary wey be Benga Ayoade for inside Ibadan wey be the state capital. And he issued the statement on Wednesday wey be the 26th day of February for inside this year 2025. Speaking through the Agba Akin Balogun of Ibadan land wey be senior chief Rafiu, the Olubadon con dey yarn say the capital city go continue to dey appreciate the economic contributions of the Igbo people, not just for inside the Ibadan land alone, but for inside the entire Oyo State and this our green white green country wey be Nigeria as a whole. And again, the Monarch con dey yarn about his commitment to peaceful coexistence amongst the various ethnic groups in the ancient city. According to how they talk, they come aside from him mouth. He say him will be the Monarch in dey employ the Ohanese delegates so wey dem continue with their business, both social and religious activities, wey dem continue with them peacefully and lawfully at all times, as they have normally done in the past for the progress of Ibadan land. He said the contributions of the Igbo people to commerce, trade and business for inside Ibadan land is worthy of commendation. He wish make dem give them accolade for that level, and it is very well appreciated by all the sundry. Sake of the things and things wey Igbo people don do, dem na significant contributor to the Oyo State economy and by extension our nation Nigeria. So he want to enjoin other non-indigenes for inside Ibadan to emulate the good gesture of members of the Ohanese Ndigbo in extending the hand of friendship and fellowship to Ibadan indigenes. So after the Monarch don yarn finish, one countryman wey dey go by the name Tallest Innocent, he na the group's coordinator and he na the special assistant for community relations to the governor of Oyo State wey be Seyi Makinde. He na con dey express his gratitude to the Olubadon and the Oba in council for warmly receiving them. And he na wey be Innocent, he con dey yarn say apart from paying this visit so, dem be dey for the palace to introduce the newly elected executives of the state chapter of RI0USLY worldwide to His Imperial Majesty. And he consider thank the Monarch for his support before, during and after the peaceful process, plus the inclusive governance approach of the traditional stool. Now anyhow this informate be you for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop them inside our comment section. Meanwhile, me get updates, me get reports about Nnamdi Kanu wey I wan share give the general public. And the cocoa be say, the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, and that na the one and only Nnamdi Kanu, he na don petition the Chief Justice of Nigeria wey be Justice Kudirat Kekereekun. He na dey urge her to go direct the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court wey be Justice John to make him reassign his case to another judge with proper jurisdiction. And him now wey be Nnamdi Kanu, he no want make Justice Binta Nyako dey handle his case no more. Now for inside one letter wey dey carry the date 20th February 2025, and this open letter, my good people, Tori people obtain am on Wednesday, maybe the 26th day of February for this year 2025. And after men don observe the letter, we con dey find out say the legal team of Nnamdi Kanu wey dey led by Aloy Ejimakor dey argue say Justice Binta Nyako wey currently dey preside over Nnamdi Kanu's case don already wash her hand comot for the matter. She don recuse herself from Nnamdi Kanu case sake of say Nnamdi Kanu sama allegations of bias on top her. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey yarn say e no get confidence in her judgment based on circumstances wey dey surround Justice Binta Nyako. You know say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, leader of IPOB, currently in dey face 7 counts of terrorism-related charges wey the federal government plaster on top am. Now, during one court session wey happen on the 24th day of September for inside the year 2024, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come formally request say make Justice Binta Nyako step down from his trial based on say he don lose confidence in the way she take dey handle the matter. He no trust her judgment no more. The way she dey perform, e come as if she don add ojoro for the thing. So in response now to this allegation, Justice Binta Nyako come kuku announce her withdrawal from the case, and she come return the case file to the chief judge for reassignment. But however, Justice John, wey be the chief judge, come later return the case file back to Justice Binta Nyako. And he now wey be the chief judge come dey instruct Justice Binta Nyako say make she continue presiding over Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was not happy with this development at all, because for the next hearing wey happen on the 10th day of February for inside this year 2025, Nnamdi Kanu's team boldly reject Justice Binta Nyako authority. He now come dey argue say sake of say Justice Binta Nyako don wash her hand for the case, so therefore she has been disqualified from further handling his case. This is case file, so no be Justice Binta Nyako matter any longer. Now he knows say the federal government go perform somehow, but he just make him appear for court out of respect wey he get for the rule of law. Now based on say kwata don burst out for inside court, and Justice Binta Nyako was not happy with wetin dey come outside from the mouth of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, she now out of para come kuku adjourn the trial indefinitely. And now for inside the open letter wey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu send give the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Aloy Ejimakor dey argue say the legal principles dey dictate say once a judge don comot body from a case, they don get automatic disqualification from further involvement in that particular case. So him now dey urge the Chief Justice of Nigeria, their administrative, to intervene on the matter and to ensure that this case is being reassigned. And in conclusion, the legal team of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey urge the Chief Justice of Nigeria making use their authority to ensure a fair trial, either by transferring the case to another judge for inside Abuja, or make dem transfer and go another court for inside the southeast region. This my good people, na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby now to dey give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. So if you like this news and you would like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring more news dey come, na you go first receive the updates and you go even get am sharp. Make dey come your screen with more news for you, my good people. Abeg try make you no go anywhere.